Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize touch gestures of your Jabra Elite 7 Pro. First of all, we have to click on the settings icon in the right upper corner. And then we have to go for the headset settings. We have to go for the Personalize your headset. And then we have to go to the mic controls. Here we can adjust controls for the music and media, incoming calls or active calls. I'm gonna do this for the music and the media, for example. So click on it once, and here we can adjust for the right and the left earbud. And as you can see, we got single press, double press, and the triple press. For example, let's adjust single press. So with the single, I would like to get the play and the pause on the right one. On the left one, I would like to wake the voice assistant. And that's how we can customize all of these gestures for every action and left and the right button. That's also the incoming calls and active calls. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.